how's it going there? It's Mike Gibson showing you another how-to video on how to make a beautiful topiary out of an arborvitae. Here we have just a 1 gallon arborvitae. And as you can see, I was able to make a nice spiral out of this one. We're going to do something just a little bit different. Actually, I love spirals. I love everything that's spiraling. I feel like the universe is a constant spiral, right? So, in return, everything always looks beautiful when it's in spiral. And what I'm seeing here is I actually want a subtle spiral just on top, and I'm going to take away all the bottom branches, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, I'm going to use my bypass pruners to take off of the unwanted. You'll want to get it flush to the trunk. You don't want anything just starting to regrow itself, and it looks nice and uniform. So let's see where I want to go. I like it from there. So I'm going to take all these off. And another good tip is, you see all these cutlings I'm making? They're about a good 5-6 inches long. What you could do is propagate this again. Cut some off about an inch, repot this, and you're going to get some more arborvitae. Okay? So let's continue cutting here. Let's get everything off. Let's get the leaves out of here. Yeah, so I want to do something similar as I did before with this beautiful spiral. What I'm doing now is what we call a spiral on standard. So I'm raising it up, nice and easy, right? Here comes the fun part. What we're going to begin to do now is start to get a nice round curvature coming around on the bottom base to begin the beginning of this spiral. Now I went right to left. And actually, the way this is growing is kind of going to force me to do the same thing again because it doesn't form the opposite way. So let's go ahead and let's see that. I'll tell you what. When I say being confident in your approach, don't second guess yourself. The moment you start second guessing yourself, you're not believing in what you can do. So I believe that what I'm doing, I believe that I'm making the right cuts. Even if I felt I made a mistake, I want to own up to that mistake and keep going and keep moving forward. That's the object of topiary. You don't want to just stop. You just keep going, keep cutting. You'll see the shape. So I kind of like what it's doing here. I'm going to take you out. And I got the nice roundness. As you can see, I have that curve started on the bottom, right? We're just going to go take this right up to the top. I don't want anything to interfere with this side of the bottom. Let's just take all this out. Because the only thing that matters is this little cusp. So make sure you take everything out. Now, when you want to get flush to the trunk, you want to make sure that you're cutting with the shears flat and not curved. You see how the handles are straight this way. However, if I'm on here, I'm nice and flat. A good way to show that off is showing it on the table. See how it's flat? But if I were to try to cut it this way, it has a nice bending and a curve. That lets you know that, well, if you're looking to get a curve, that's the way you should be cutting. So we're just going to go nice and easy. Make nice, strong, confident cuts. All right. Let's see this. I'm going to have it wrap around. Right around here. I like what I'm seeing. So what I'm going to do here is I want to stop that spiral, okay? And I'm going to continue a separate stem coming up. So as this grows, this is going to get a lot larger, and I would like this to be a nice pyramidal shape, a nice cone on the top there. So I have a spiral into a cone. Right, get all the little fine details out. See, these are nice, quick, less than 10-minute topiaries that you can create right in your own home or your garage if you don't have the space for it. Nice fine details out here. So when I get the new growth, I'll keep working that curve. I think that looks pretty good. I love the openness. I love the openness of the trunk and being able to see that trunk. Pearl Fryer, who was a famous topiary artist in Bishopville, South Carolina, he says he calls it the skeleton look. He likes to be able to see the inside of the tree or the skeleton. Now, doesn't that look nice? Nice, quick, easy topiary that anybody can do. Look at that. So I have a nice curve that starts low and is raised up, and it just goes around the merry-go-round. Nice and easy. I tell you, I actually want to take out. No, I'm gonna keep that. Trying to see how that was going to go. The good thing is you also want to look into the future as you're doing topiaries. So you have to remember, this looks great now. You know, this shape looks bare right here now. But what is it going to look like in 5 to 10 years? That's something you got to keep in mind because with topiaries, it's not just an instant gratification. It's something that is going to help you develop more patience over time. And that is the goal that we want to achieve with our topiaries, right? Yeah, so this is going to grow up, have a nice pyramid shape on top. Perfect. Look at that. Branches facing down because those foliage that's facing down is going to cause that foliage to continue to grow down. And that's not what I'm looking for. That's not the effect that I'm going for. Okay? I like it nice, easy, subtle. Can you imagine this sitting in front of the dinner table and a nice boss? Nice face, depending on where you're at. Well, that's all the time we got here today. I'll see you guys again. Once again, it's Mike Gibson for Gibson Works. Have a good one.